I want to say his titles in the English language and then in the Urdu language to present my Sipasnama, my Khiraj-e-Aqidat in the court of our august Imam, the illustrious Mujaddid, the defender of the Sunnah, the vanquisher of heresy, the oceanic alim, the author of 1,000. I want your muhabbat to increase for your Imam. The author of 1,000, the master of fatawa, the senior of the ummah, the leader of the Sunnis, the top rank mufassir, the elite muhaddis, the teacher of the jurists, the qutb among the awliya, the opener of secrets, the sun among the stars, the genius muhakkik, the hafiz of the Quran, the mufti of Sharia, the arif of Haqiqah, the pride of Bareilly, the scholar of the century, Ala Hazrat, Azimul Martabat, Rafi'u Darajat, Kushta-e Ishq o Mahabbat, Hami-e Sunnat, Mahi-e Bid'at, Qat-e Najdiyat o Rafiziyat o Tafziliyat o Nasb o Khuruj, Malhaz-e Anzar-e Nubuwat, Imam Ahle Sunnat Sayyidi Shah Imam Ahmad Raza Khan Rahmatullahi Alayh.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Subhanallah, Subhanallah, Subhanallah.
This humble faqir, ajiz pur taqseer, full of errors and mistakes in the court of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I have traveled over 20 countries in this world. I have traveled to Egypt, to Turkey, to Syria, to Lebanon, to Jordan. I have traveled across the globe and I have seen the hearts of Arabs and non-Arabs all overflowing in the love of Imam Ahmad Raza Khan rahmatullah alayh. In Sahih al-Bukhari, when Allah Ta'ala loves someone, He asked Jibreel to make an adhan. Oh, people of this world, Allah loves so-and-so, so you must also love so-and-so. This is the asar of the adhan of Jibreel alayhi salam, that the love of Ahmad Raza isn't beating in the hearts of millions of Muslims in the world. Ala Hazrat's love is the mazhar of thumma yuda'u lahul qabulu fil ard. When Allah loves someone, that he places His love and acceptance in the hearts of people. My Imam's few books reached the Arab world, and they saw a few books. Our Imam wrote over 1,000 books. When the ulama of Makkah and Medina saw one book, Ad-Dawlatul Makkiyah bil Ma'addatil Ghaybiyah, they said, this man is a mu'jiza and miracle from the mu'jizat of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. मैं बाज़ दफा सोचता हूँ उलमाए मक्का ने मेरे इमाम की सिर्फ एक किताब देखकर उन्हें हुजूर का मौजज़ा कहा। अगर मेरे इमाम का फतावा रिज़विया जो 22,000 सफ़हात पर मुश्तमिल है वो देख लेते तो न जाने वो अहमद रज़ा को क्या कहते। Ala Hazrat alayhi Rahma's one book, Ad-Dawlat al-Makkiyah, on the vastness of the ilm-e-ghaib that Allah granted His beloved Habib sallallahu alayhi wasallam. My dear brothers and elders, my mothers and sisters, the second book that reached the Arab world in 6 volumes, it reached them very late. Jaddul Mumtar, the Hashiyah of Fatawa Shami, Raddul Muhtar. One of our teachers said to me from Damascus in Syria, he said, if only this one book reached us, Jaddul Mumtar of Imam Ahmad Raza Khan, it would have been sufficient for us to declare him the second Abu Hanifa of his time. आपकी मोहब्बतों को सलाम.